Hey everyone, welcome to the show. I am a City Escape Griller, and I was going to make a Weber Q video today, but to be perfectly honest, out here in the country being sequestered like this, I really like building fires. So once again, I'm going to fire up the Weber Kettle, and today I'm going to show you how to make some smoky buffalo wings. These are going to be good, so stick around. The edible part of a chicken wing is comprised of two parts. You've got your flat and you've got your drumette. Now I prefer the flats, so we told the butcher we'd like more flats than drumettes, and he actually gave us all flats. So that's why there's no drumettes in this batch here. So the first thing we're gonna do is hit these with some rub. This is the rub that I'm using today, and after we cook the wings, I'm gonna hit them with some Texas Pete buffalo wing sauce. So we're gonna get that rub all over those wings, and then just let these chillax for a little bit while we go build the fire. Today for fuel, we're going to be using some oak lump charcoal along with some mesquite wood chunks for flavor. We're going to fill the chimney with some lump, and for a starter, I'm going to use one of these little cubes. I've never tried this brand before, so let's see how they work. Place it in the bottom, give it a light. About 10 minutes later, we've got our charcoal lit. Pour it into one side of the grill, put the grate on, and the lid, and we are ready for the wings. And about a minute or so later, take the grill off, give it a quick scrape, add in a few chunks of mesquite wood. And I gotta tell you, this lump charcoal here is sparking even more than normal. Lump charcoal does spark a bit, but this is borderline ridiculous. So we're just going to add on the wings and then hit any spots that we missed with the rub. Close the lid, kick back, relax, and let the Weber Kettle do its thing. Okay, these wings have been on for almost an hour now. I've checked on them a few times, moved them around a little bit. That seems a little long to me, but these are big, meaty wings that are taking a little bit more time to cook. And so what I like to do to finish these wings off is before I pull them off the grill, the last minute or two, I like to put the wings directly over the hot coals so that the skin gets just a little bit extra crispy. And once they're nice and crispy, take the wings off. Hit them with some of that Texas Pete buffalo sauce. Give the wings a toss. And then these wings are ready to come inside and get in my belly. To serve them up, what I like to do is transfer them to a cast iron pan and hit them with a little bit more of that hot sauce. Our final dish, Smoky Buffalo Wings, made at the City Escape on a Weber Kettle. Okay, these are some big meaty wings. Typically, I like my wings a little bit smaller, more bite size. These are big and meaty, and some people might like that. I prefer the smaller ones, but with this whole coronavirus, you don't have too many options in the grocery store these days. As far as the flavor goes, that mesquite wood, you can really taste that smoky flavor. I like that. And I like the Pete's. I think it's pretty good. A little bit spicier than Frank's, and I typically prefer Frank's. I just like the flavor of Frank's a little bit better than Pete's. If you're looking for another sauce that's a little bit, I think, tastier than just plain old buffalo sauce, I'll leave a link right here to my honey garlic lemon buffalo sauce. That is a fantastic recipe. So that's it for my smoky buffalo wings. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a like if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you'll know when new videos come out. And of course, keep on grilling.